TikTok search is the new Google, optimizing captions and keywords to drive storefront traffic. More people are searching TikTok before Google. Here's how to write captions and keywords so your storefront gets found, not just liked. A huge share of Gen Z and younger millennials now open TikTok before they open Google when they want to know something. Best budgeting app, how to fix a resume, easiest way to learn Spanish. They're not searching for entertainment, they're searching for answers, and that changes what a caption is for. A caption isn't just a hook anymore. It's the metadata that decides whether your video shows up when someone types Notion template for freelancers into the TikTok search bar 6 weeks from now, long after the algorithm stopped pushing it. Most creators write captions for the 3 seconds someone spends scrolling past. The creator's actually building a business write captions for the search that happens next month, whenever someone finally types the exact phrase that matches what you sell. Why TikTok search is a different game than the For You page. The For You page rewards novelty and watch time in the first 3 seconds. Search rewards relevance to a typed query, and it doesn't care how old the video is. A video you posted 8 months ago with 300 views can start showing up in results today if it matches what someone is typing right now. Most creators miss this entirely, treating every video as disposable feed content when a well-tagged one is a permanent asset sitting in the index, waiting to be found. That's why a creator selling digital downloads or a course should think about captions the way a blogger thinks about SEO. What's the exact phrase my future customer will type, and does my video use it in a way TikTok can read? How to actually find your keywords, not guess them. Open the TikTok app, tap search, and type the first few words of your topic. How to price. Best template for. Notion setup for. The autocomplete suggestions that appear are real queries other people have searched, ranked roughly by volume. This is free keyword research handed to you, and almost nobody uses it. Do this for every product angle you sell. If you sell a budgeting spreadsheet, try Budget Spreadsheet. How to budget on. Best way to track spending. Write down every suggestion specific enough to match a real product, not a vague mood. Then scroll the results page itself and notice what's already ranking. Tutorials. Before afters. Talking heads? That's your format brief, decided by data instead of gut feel. The 3 keyword rule. Pick 1 primary keyword per video, 1 secondary variation, and 1 broader category term. Use all 3 across your caption, on-screen text, and spoken audio, but never force them unnaturally. If a sentence sounds stuffed, cut a keyword. Where keywords actually need to live. TikTok's search algorithm pulls signal from 4 places, and treating all 4 as optional is why most videos never surface. First, the caption text. Put your primary keyword in the first sentence, not buried after 3 lines of emojis. Second, on-screen text overlays, since TikTok reads text baked into the video the same way it reads captions. Third, the spoken audio itself. TikTok auto-transcribes speech and matches it to queries, so say the keyword out loud, ideally in the first 10 seconds. Fourth, hashtags, which now function more like category tags than discovery magic. 2 or 3 specific ones. Notion templates beats fit for search purposes. Help TikTok slot your video into the right topic cluster. Nail 2 of these and you'll get some lift. Nail all 4 consistently, and you start showing up for searches you never ran an ad against. Format your videos so search traffic actually converts. Ranking for a search query only matters if the person who finds you can act on it in the next 30 seconds. The video itself has to answer the question the keyword implies. A video that ranks for how to price a coaching call needs to actually show a number and a method, not tease it and cut away. And your bio link has to finish the thought. If your video ranks for budget spreadsheet template, Someone tapping your profile should land on a storefront with that spreadsheet visibly for sale within one scroll, not a generic homepage or a scattered links page. That's the whole case for a dedicated storefront link. Once you're playing the search game seriously, create your store once, keep the URL in your bio forever, and every search ranked video funnels to a page you actually control. Type the topic into TikTok search and pulled 3-5 real autocomplete keyword suggestions. Primary keyword appears in the first line of the caption. Keyword is spoken out loud in the video, ideally within the first 10 seconds. On-screen text overlay includes the keyword or a close variant. In a plain, readable font, 2-3 specific hashtags chosen, skip the generic fact-style tags. Bio link leads to a storefront page where the exact product being searched for is visible immediately. A video optimized for the feed dies in 48 hours. A video optimized for search keeps working for you every week someone types that phrase. Build an evergreen library, not a one-off hit. Because search doesn't decay like the feed does, the highest leverage move is building a small library of videos, each answering one specific searchable question tied to something you sell. A course on freelance pricing might spawn 5 or 6 videos. How to price your first client, how much to charge for a logo, what to say when a client asks for a discount, each targeting a distinct keyword from autocomplete. None needs to go viral individually. Collectively, they become a search net that catches people at different stages of the same problem, all pointing to the same storefront link. A single 50,000 view hit fades in days, but 6 3,000 view search-optimized videos can each keep pulling clicks a week, indefinitely. Track what's actually driving traffic, not just views. Views tell you almost nothing about search performance. A video can have modest total views, but a search-heavy traffic pattern quietly compounding underneath. Watch for unusually long tails. Steady, low but consistent view counts weeks or months after posting, rather than a spike and flatline shape. That tail is the search signature. Pair that with your storefront's own numbers. On the Pro plan, Google Analytics shows exactly which referral spikes correlate with which video going into rotation, so you can tell which keyword bets convert into checkout traffic rather than just impressions. Over a few months, you'll map which phrases pull buyers versus browsers and double down on the former. Why the storefront still matters more than the algorithm. Getting found is only half the job. The other half is what happens in the 10 seconds after someone lands. TikTok search can put a stranger in front of your profile with zero context except the one phrase they typed. If your bio link doesn't immediately show what that phrase promised, the template, the course, the coaching call, you've done the SEO work and lost the sale anyway. A storefront built for this moment needs a clean above-the-fold product, instant automatic delivery so an impulse buy doesn't turn into a refund request, and fast mobile loading since that's where this traffic arrives. A live example store shows what that looks like, and it takes minutes to open your store. Fan and point search-optimized videos at a page built to close. Key takeaways. TikTok search behaves like a search engine, not a social feed. Captions, on-screen text, and spoken words are all indexed and matched to search queries. Keyword research for TikTok means typing your topic into the search bar and reading the autocomplete suggestions, not guessing. Say your keyword out loud in the video and put it in the first line of your caption. TikTok's auto captions and audio transcription both feed the search algorithm. Evergreen. Problem-solving videos outlive the algorithm's attention span and keep pulling search traffic to your storefront link for months. Your storefront needs to match the promise of the keyword the second someone lands, or the search traffic converts into nothing. Start your creator store free at store.fan.